Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 online video lesson series. In this video lesson we will be starting practical lessons of Microsoft Excel. How you can create new file in Excel workbook. So there are many different ways. Actually there are two ways to create a new file. Because all the files you create in online office, those are being saved to your OneDrive. So you can create your Excel or any office file from this office.com website, or you can go to OneDrive. From there you can also create Excel or any other office file. So let's see how you can do that. First of all, go to office.com website and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. And after login you will find these apps which you can use online. So here it is Excel, and click on to this app. It will open up new Excel window. You can also create Excel files from different templates like make a list, total list template. Here it is invoice template, timesheet. If you want to create timesheet, if you want to create 12-month calendar, then you can also create using this template. So your work will be reduced, lots of work will be reduced because it provides one particular format and you don't need to create that. But if you feel that your requirement doesn't fit into this template format, then you can always start from scratch. So I am creating new blank workbook. So click on it and it will create new workbook in your Microsoft OneDrive. So here it is. Now you can start working on it. But before we start working on it, let's see some important things. Where this file is being saved. So if you know OneDrive, then there will be a one folder in OneDrive called Documents. So all the files which you have created in online office suite will be saved to this document folder of OneDrive. So to see this folder, click on to this document folder and it will lead to actual folder in OneDrive where you can see what are the files created by me. Here it is one Word document and here it is our file. Click on to this file to open up this file. Now let's see another way to create Excel file. Here you can see new button. From this new button, you can create Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint, OneNote or Excel survey. So click on to this Excel workbook and it will create file here. So this is the second way to create new file or new workbook. So click on to this file to open your Excel file. And here we are. Excel file is created. So this is about creating new Excel file in OneDrive and using office.com website. Thank you very much.